From the 9th to the 14th century, Angkor engineered a vast hydraulic network shaping ancient Cambodia. Its canals carried water across great distances, sustaining cities, feeding farms, and stabilizing seasonal flows efficiently. Enormous Baray reservoirs stored monsoon floods, providing reliable supplies, essential for agriculture, industry, and population growth. Precisely engineered dams and spillways balanced rising waters, protected settlements, and directed irrigation with remarkable control. Together, these structures formed an integrated system that powered Angkor's rise and remains admired for brilliance. The construction of Angkor Wat in the 12th century showcased extraordinary precision, combining architecture and engineering beyond its era. Skilled artisans shaped sandstone blocks with remarkable accuracy, ensuring perfect alignment across vast corridors and towering structures. These stones were transported from distant quarries using ingenious methods that required coordination and deep technical knowledge. Ramps, levers, and human expertise replaced modern machinery, allowing massive blocks to rise into place with astonishing stability. Together, these achievements created a monumental temple that endures as a testament to Angkor's brilliance and architectural mastery. The Bayon Temple is famous for its massive stone faces, carved directly onto towering blocks that were carefully balanced without strong binding materials. Khmer builders arranged each stone so it locked naturally, creating a stable base for the sculptors. After the structure was secured, artisans carved the calm and iconic expressions right on the standing towers, ensuring symmetry across dozens of faces. This blend of precise engineering and artistic skill allowed the structure to survive centuries of rain and shifting ground, showing how advanced Khmer architecture truly was. The Khmer Empire engineered an impressive highway system made of long, straight, and carefully compacted roads that linked cities, temples, and administrative centers across great distances. Built with layers of soil, gravel, and laterite, these routes were strong enough to endure monsoon rains and daily transport. Stone bridges, rest houses, and water stations were constructed along the way, supporting travelers, traders, and soldiers. This network demonstrates the Khmer's advanced civil planning and their remarkable ability to manage terrain, resources, and mobility. The massive east and west Baray reservoirs were engineered by the Khmer civilization to store seasonal rainwater and support year-round agriculture across the Angkor region. Built with enormous earthen embankments, carefully managed spillways, and controlled inlet channels, these artificial lakes acted like modern reservoirs long before contemporary engineering existed. Their design ensured stable water supply for rice fields, protected surrounding settlements from drought, and enabled large-scale population growth. The Barries remain a testament to the Khmer's advanced hydrological knowledge and remarkable landscape management skills. The ancient builders of the Khmer Empire developed a highly effective technique for cutting, shaping, and sun-drying laterite, transforming this iron-rich soil into a durable building material. By extracting it while soft and allowing it to harden naturally, they produced blocks strong enough to serve as foundations, walls, and structural cores for temples and reservoirs. This process created stability, resistance to weathering, and long-term resilience. Many Angkor-era structures still stand today thanks to the remarkable engineering insight behind laterite technology, proving its effectiveness across centuries. Bangmelia is often viewed as the experimental laboratory of Angkorian architecture, a place where Khmer builders tested structural ideas later perfected at Angkor Wat. Its sprawling layout and collapsed galleries reveal early attempts to balance massive sandstone blocks, refine load-bearing arches, and create more fluid spatial designs. The temple's unusual proportions and innovative engineering choices suggest it was a testing ground for solving architectural challenges on a grand scale. Today, its jungle-covered ruins offer a glimpse into the creative process that shaped the golden age of Khmer construction. After the war, Cambodia began rebuilding its entire telecommunications system with crucial support from international partners, marking one of the nation's earliest steps toward technological recovery. Engineers worked to restore damaged telephone lines, install new transmission towers, and establish functional switching stations that reconnected major provinces. These early efforts, though limited by resources, created the first modern communication backbone in post-conflict Cambodia. The project not only revived basic connectivity for government and daily life, but also laid the essential groundwork for Cambodia's future digital networks and nationwide mobile infrastructure. In 1997, Cambodia entered the digital age with the introduction of its first commercial internet connection, launched through a collaboration between Telstra and Cathay. This breakthrough marked a turning point for a nation rebuilding after decades of conflict, giving citizens and institutions their first real access to global communication. Early connections were slow and limited, but they opened opportunities for education, business, and international cooperation. The launch became the foundation for Cambodia's rapidly expanding digital infrastructure, eventually shaping the country's modern online economy and technology landscape. In the early 2000s, Cambodia experienced a rapid surge in mobile phone adoption that completely transformed daily communication. As affordable handsets and prepaid services became widely available, millions of people gained instant access to calls and messages for the first time. This shift connected remote communities, accelerated business activity, and opened new opportunities for trade and services. Within just a few years, Cambodia became one of the fastest-growing telecommunications markets in Southeast Asia, marking a major technological turning point that continues to influence the country's digital development today.